Hey there, today I will show you how to make TikTok account public. So let's get started. Open up TikTok, then go to your profile, tap on profile at the bottom right corner, and here you will see private account. So let's change it. We just tap on three lines at the top right corner, then tap on settings and privacy, select privacy, and here you will see private account. Just swipe the slider to the left side. If you switch to public account, anyone can watch your video and answer your question from public video. Users may be able to duet, stick or download your video depending on what you choose in settings and privacy. You won't need to approve followers, and all pending followers requests will be automatically approved. We just tap on confirm. Now we go back to check profile. As you can see, private account now is hide, and this means your TikTok account now is public. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.